This is RedMagic 9S Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So if you suspect that your that the system of the phone has gotten compromised or infected with viruses or any other security breaches took place, I think you should begin with checking for available software and security updates, which you can do by launching your smartphone settings. Then here enter the security and privacy category. Next go for the system and updates. And well, first check for system updates, and if it will be a newer software version available, make sure to download and install it right away. Or you can also separately check for a security update. And well, also make sure that you have the latest update installed. Then you can also launch the Google Play Store, tap at your profile picture, go into the Play Protect, and scan your phone for harmful apps. And if it will find any, it will allow you to terminate or deal with those issues as well. And you can also resort to using some third-party antivirus or security app solutions, such as Avast. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one. I just usually bring it up as an example of an antivirus application. If you know any other or you trust any other apps, just go for it. It does not necessarily have to be this one, but well, as long as you will equip yourself with some kind of security app, you should be good to go. Or actually even better, you can try a bunch of them and see which one will actually work. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.